Hi. Most of you know me. I'm Kit. My channel's Go Ask Kit on YouTube. Many people have asked me how do when I cook my pizza and bread and stuff, how do I make my sourdough starter? Personally, I make my sourdough starter with whatever flours that I'm going to use to starter flour. So uh, if I'm making wheat bread, and I'm going to add some all-purpose flour into it. Maybe that's what I'm going to make my starters with. The key is that you use equal portions of purified water, not out of the tap. My particular case, I use a zero water filter that uses a great big charcoal filter in it, very efficient. It's not when it comes out of that, it's 99% pure, and so that's what I particularly use. You could use, sterilized water that you bottled water. Just make sure there's no fluoride in it. Okay, in my particular case, I use my dry goods are a quarter cup scoops. My water is a quarter cup water. Equal. That's just in my case, but it's unimportant. Just make sure that you use whatever your measurement is. That you keep them all the same. Equal. You could use a half a cup, half a cup, half a. Make sure your proportions are equal. Your flours, your water, and so on. One really, really, really key point is to know when your sourdough starter is absolutely finished. And that's when your double rate, the amount of starter in your jar, doubles in about 4 or 5 hours. If it does that, your starter's ready to use. If it sits there 4 or 5 hours and hardly moves up the container, it's not ready to use. And it's just that plain and simple. So I hope that I've been clear. If you think I missed anything, or you think you need to ask a question, I'm still, there on the channel, monitoring it pretty much daily, and I answer people that ask me questions. So don't forget, Go Ask Kit, and I'll just end the video there.